Welcome, dear viewers. What constitutes most of the human body is water. So, are you drinking enough water? Staying hydrated is important. Why don't you grab a glass of water and have a sip as you listen to 19 evidence-based health benefits of drinking plenty of water. Number 1. Water helps maximize physical performance. If you don't stay hydrated, your physical performance can suffer. This is particularly important during intense exercise or high heat. Dehydration can lead to altered body temperature control, reduced motivation, and increased fatigue. It can also make exercise feel much more difficult, both physically and mentally. Staying hydrated can help you perform at your best. 2. Water may help treat kidney stones. Increased water intake appears to decrease the risk of kidney stone formation. Urinary stones are painful clumps of mineral crystal that form in the urinary system. The most common form is kidney stones, which form in the kidneys. Higher fluid intake increases the volume of urine passing through the kidneys. This dilutes the concentration of minerals, so they are less likely to crystallize and form clumps. Water may also help prevent the initial formation of stones. 3. It delivers oxygen throughout the body. Blood is more than 90% made up of water, and blood carries oxygen to different parts of the body. So the more you drink, the more oxygen gets delivered to the body parts. 4. It improves blood oxygen circulation. Water carries helpful nutrients and oxygen to your entire body. Reaching your daily water intake will improve your circulation and have a positive impact on your overall health. 5. Water boosts skin health and beauty. When dehydration, the skin can become more vulnerable to skin disorder and premature wrinkling. Adequate water intake will help your skin hydrated. 6. Water can aid in weight loss. Drinking plenty of water can help you lose weight. This is because water can boost your metabolic rate, which can increase the number of calories you burn on a daily basis. Drinking additional water before meals may lead to significant reduction in body weight and body fat. The timing is very important. Drinking water half an hour before meal is more effective. It can make you feel more full so that you eat fewer calories. 7. Water can significantly affect energy level and brain function. Your brain is strongly influenced by your hydration status. Studies show that even mild dehydration can impair many aspects of brain function. Fluid loss can impair both mood and concentration. It also increases the frequency of headaches. Fluid loss may increase feeling of anxiety and fatigue. Dehydration can impair mood, memory, and brain performance. Not drinking enough water can negatively impact your focus, alertness, and short-term memory. 8. It regulates body temperature. Water that is stored in the middle layer of the skin comes to the skin surface as sweat when the body heats up. As it evaporates, it cools the body. When there is too little water in the body, heat storage increases and the individual may become less able to tolerate heat strain. If you are sweating more than usual, make sure you drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration. Number 9. Water assists the formation of saliva and mucus. Water is the main component of saliva. Saliva helps us digest our food and keeps the mouth, nose, and eyes moist. This prevents friction and damage. Drinking water also keeps the mouth clean. Number 10. Water may help prevent and treat headaches. Drinking water may help reduce headache and headache symptoms. Dehydration can trigger headache and migraine in some individuals. Research has shown that headache is one of the most common symptoms of dehydration. What's more, some studies have shown that drinking water can help relieve headaches in those who experience frequent headaches. 11. It aids in digestion. Drinking water will help your body break down the food you eat more easily. This will help you digest food more effectively and get the most out of your meals. 12. Water helps prevent hangovers. A hangover refers to the unpleasant symptoms experienced after drinking alcohol. Alcohol makes you lose more water than you take in. This can lead to dehydration. Although dehydration isn't the main cause of hangovers, it can cause symptoms like thirst, fatigue, headache, and dry mouth. Good way to reduce hangovers are to drink a glass of water between drinks and have at least one big glass of water before going to bed. 13. Water may help relieve constipation. Drinking plenty of water may help prevent and relieve constipation, especially in people who generally don't drink enough water. Constipation is a common problem that is characterized by infrequent bowel movement and difficulty passing stool. Increasing fluid intake is often recommended as a part of the treatment protocol. Increasing hydration may help decrease constipation. Studies have shown that mineral water that is rich in magnesium and sodium improves bowel movement frequency and consistency in people with constipation. 14. Water lubricates the joints. Cartilage found in joints and the discs of the spine contains around 80% water. Long-term dehydration can reduce the joint's shock-absorbing ability, leading to joint pain. 15. It makes minerals and nutrients accessible. Water dissolves minerals and nutrients, which make it possible for them to reach different parts of the body. 16. Water cushions the brain, the spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues. Dehydration can affect brain structure and function. It is also involved in the production of hormones and neurotransmitters. Prolonged dehydration can lead to problems with thinking and reasoning. 17. The digestive system depends on water. The bowel needs water to work properly. Dehydration can lead to digestive problems and an overly acidic stomach. This increases the risk of heartburn and stomach ulcers. 18. Water helps maintain blood pressure. Lack of water can cause blood to become thicker, increasing blood pressure. 19. Water helps with nutrient absorption. In addition to helping with food breakdowns, water also helps dissolve vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from your food. It then delivers these vitamin components to the rest of your body. So what do you say? Are you drinking enough water? We have seen that water have many benefits. We have mentioned only some of them. So please, keep hydrated. Always have a bottle of water with you and have a sip every now and then. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching.